Welcome back to Primetime News. Two more policemen accused of being involved in the so-called Clarendon Police Death Squad were freed of murder charges today before the Home Circuit Court. The 7-member jury returned the not guilty verdict in favor of Corporal Kevin Adams and Constable Jerome White. Both were charged by Indicom for the 2012 fatal shooting of Anthony Truff. Attorney at law K. Churchill Nita, who represented Constable White, spoke with our news center shortly after the verdict.
The jurors retired for 45 minutes. They were mindful of all the issues that were raised and obviously accepted that it was a killing that was quite justified in the circumstances. And the defense's position was that the police officers, in the lawful execution of their duty, had come under gunfire and responded and resulted in the death of the deceased. A verdict that I think that demonstrates clearly that justice is very much alive and well, and that well-minded, well-thinking citizens of Jamaica will arrive at verdicts based on the quality of the evidence or the lack of it.